One simple reason is because digesting all those calories takes a lot of energy. The body has to redirect blood flow from other parts of the body, including the brain, to the digestive system to deal with all that food. Less blood flow means less oxygen and nutrients available to keep the brain alert. This creates a post-meal sleepiness. The larger the meal, the greater this effect. Another factor contributing to the after-Christmas dinner fatigue does involve tryptophan. When a lot of carbohydrates are consumed, it causes the body to produce insulin. Insulin is a hormone created by your pancreas to take glucose out of the blood and transport it into cells where the glucose can be used. Carbohydrates in any meal turns into glucose, which causes a spike in insulin production. Insulin also happens to aid in removing amino acids from the blood, except that insulin is not effective at removing tryptophan. So when a meal containing tryptophan is paired with one containing a lot of carbohydrates, it causes a spike in insulin, which leaves a large proportion of tryptophan in the blood without a lot of other competing amino acids to slow down its transport into the brain. In the brain, the tryptophan cranks up melatonin production and makes the brain sleepy. So does turkey make you tired? Yes, but only because it's protein source often eaten with an overabundance of carbohydrates. Some people don't like turkey meat because they think it's dry, especially the white breast meat, which a turkey has a lot of. Some picky eaters think only the rare dark meat found in the thigh and the legs is worth eating. What makes turkey meat white or dark? It's actually the turkey's blood. Muscle that works really hard requires a large blood supply to feed it. Turkey blood contains a reddish pigment called myoglobin, which binds to oxygen and transports it to the hard-working muscles. When domestic turkeys are raised for food, they are overfed so that they become very fat. Their heaviness makes them unable to fly, so their breast muscles, which power their wings, are not used for flight. Since the turkey breast muscles are not used for much, they don't need a large blood supply. This means the breast muscles stay white due to the lack of myoglobin. So this Thanksgiving, if you want a turkey that everyone will enjoy, what is your solution? Instead of buying your typical domesticated turkey from the supermarket, go get yourself a wild turkey. They aren't overfed, so they can and do fly. Of course, this makes their breast meat darker and tastier.